Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add Apple Card on YNAB application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your YNAB application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're logged into your account, tap on Add Another Account option. Now, select the linked option from the top of the screen. Click on Add Apple Wallet Connection and then decide which account you would like to link and hit Connect. Soon after you do that, you will be able to connect and add your Apple Card to YNAB. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.